Kia ora koutou, Reece from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at sine, cosine, and tangent curves. Now this question here is giving us some kind of equivalence between sine of x and cos of x. And the way that we're going to engage with it is knowing this identity here, that sine theta is equal to cos times 90 minus theta. In this scenario, or in this case, theta is given by the following, right? So we can substitute x over 2, and we're saying that this is equal to cos 90 minus x over 2. This gives us the equation, right? If that's the case, then cos is 5, right? Cos 5. So this means that 5 is equal to 90 minus x over 2. Now we can solve this as you would normally. So we add x minus over 2 to both sides, subtract 5 from both sides, multiply by 2, giving us 170 degrees. Now this is good because it satisfies this here, right? It's between 90 and 180. This next question is giving me an expression in terms of cos and sine, but the graph itself is at tan x. So what I'm going to keep in mind, or try to keep in mind, is the idea that tan x is equal to sine x over cosine x. So if I can get it to a position where I can rearrange my equation, the expression given, then I can say what it is in terms of tan. So what does that look like? Well, immediately, right, I'm going to pop it down here. Equals 0. 4 cos x is equal to negative sine x. Divide both sides by cos x, giving me 4 equal to negative sine x over cos x, or negative 4 equal to sine x over cos x, which we've seen above, right? We have this equivalency here. So tan x is equal to negative 4. So where tan is equal to negative 4, now I'm going to look at my graph, right? We have this here. So I can see these points where tan x is equal to negative 4. All right, we can see it's halfway between 90 and 110. And again, halfway between 270 and 300. So 90 plus 120 divided by 2, well, that equals 105. And the other, 270, well, the difference there, a little bit easier to see, but let's write it anyway. 270 plus 300 over 2 is equal to 285. So what are the possible values when it's between 0 and 360? 105 and 285.